the drive that we did yesterday. The entire team today revisited the coastal belt area in Kalangut, and this drive was specifically for the sweets with color. So we've been working on this subject where we see that sweets are being manufactured with color, and the law limits the color to 100 ppm, but our observations are that excess color is being used. So hence, yesterday when we did our surveillance, we saw that there are lots of these samples, and today we have drawn these statutory samples with the intention to file cases on these food business operators. So once the test report comes, and we are quite certain that they will be in the negative, and we will be filing cases to ensure that there is strict action on these vendors. And we have also appealed to all the other food business operators to regulate the colors, especially keeping the festive season in mind that Chaturthi is coming closer. We want to build this awareness that to ensure that all the sweets that will be out for this festival are with the proper standards and with the allowed and the right limit of color. So that was one part. The other part also that we have done is that yesterday where we had seized meat, today we revisited the place to see if there is any operation. There was no operation, and also there was a concern which was raised. We have seen it through your channel that regarding the disposal, but we want to bring it out very clear and be rest assured that the disposal was done in a very methodical manner by using phenyl to disinfect the meat, and the meat was buried in the ground with proper sand. So all this process was being followed. We will share the photographs and the details also with you. So this is the summary of the work that we have done today. Similarly, we've also come across this product of sweets where these are appealing to the children. So we've also taken this subject in our hands today. These samples have been drawn. They are being sent to the laboratory, and based on their findings, we will be carrying out strict action, and we will be creating awareness on these products in specific. So हे जे आसा ते मेनली करपाक, सो ही मेसेज ऑल अक्रॉस द स्टेट वचपाक, आनी अशें जेन्ना आमी एका विकान जे परते येतले तेन्ना आमकां अशें दिसून येवपाक जाय की सगळ्यांनी ही मेसेज पॉझिटिव्हली घेतल्या आनी काय तरी हे चेंजीस आयल्या म्हणून.
कलर म्हटलं
जास्त कलर घातला म्हणून सी स्वीट्सान जो आसा वो कायद्यान कलर अलावड आसा, पूण ताका एक लिमीट आसा. 100 ppm म्हणून एक जो कॅल्क्युलेशन आसा तो लिमीट आसा. ताच्या भायर तर घातलो जाल्यार तो एक सब स्टँडर्ड प्रोडक्ट जाता. सो ह्या कारणा खातीर आमी हेजेर तुम्ही पयले ब्रायट जावन आसा. सो इतले ब्रायट अशें आसल्यार म्हणजे तातूंत डावटफूल आसा की हातूंत जो कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन जो आसा चड आसा. तशेंच नॉन परमिटेड कलर्सूय आसता. सो हेवूय कांय जाण अशें यूज करता. सो हाजोय टेस्टिंग जाता. सो वी डिफरन्शिएट बिटवीन द परमिटेड एंड द नॉन परमिटेड कलर्स, आनी जेन्ना रिजल्ट्स आयले ते एनालायज करून त्या बेसिसाचेर हाजो आमी अवेरनेस करतले, आनी तुमच्या माध्यमान वी विल रीच आउट टू ऑल द पीपल.
चतुर्थी लागीं आता मोदकूय आसा, विविध प्रकारचे कलर घालतात.
सो होच आमचो जो मेन ऑब्जेक्टीव आसा. सो आतां स्टार्ट करचें म्हणजे मेन कारण आसा की हाजेर सगळ्यांक म्हणजे इन्फॉर्मेशन वचपाक इन रायट टायम, आनी जेन्ना हेजें प्रेपरेशन चालू जातलें, जेन्ना 15 दीस अशें उरल्या चवथीचे, जेन्ना प्रेपरेशन स्टार्ट जातलें तेन्ना जेन्ना आमी ड्रायव्ह करता तेन्ना आमी डायरेक्ट तांचेर लिगल एक्शन घेतले. अशें ना की सो दीस इज दी अवेरनेस फेज अँड दॅट वील बी द लिगल एक्शन फेज.